Archicad versus Vectorworks. Which BIM tool fits your design workflow? So when it comes to architectural design and BIM software, Archicad and Vectorworks Architect are both powerful contenders. Archicad, developed by Graphics has been long praised for its BIM first approach and collaborative capabilities. Vectorworks, on the other hand, offers strong design flexibility with powerful 2D, 3D hybrid tools, making it popular among architects, interior designers, and landscape professionals. Now, let's go ahead and explore how they compare. So, Archicad is a BIM centric software tailored for architects who prioritize detailed modeling, team collaboration, and streamlined documentation. It offers robust modeling tools, strong IFC support, and real-time collaboration through its BIM cloud feature. Its workflow is geared towards large architectural projects and teams. Pros: powerful, mature BIM features, excellent for architectural documentations. BIM cloud enables real-time team collaboration, smooth performance even on large models. Cons: less intuitive for conceptual or artistic design, expensive licensing, and learning curve for new users. Okay, next we've got is Vectorworks. Architect combines BIM with a strong 2D drawing and creative design tools. It's well loved for its flexibility and versatility across disciplines, from architecture to interiors to landscapes. It supports BIM workflows, but is also useful for more schematic or creative phase of design. Pros: excellent 2D and 3D modeling tools, strong visualization and rendering capabilities, good for multidisciplinary practices, and more flexible for early stage design work. Drawbacks: BIM features not as deep or standardized as Archicad, can feel slow on large complex models. UI is powerful but can feel cluttered. Okay, so final verdict: go with Archicad if you need a robust BIM solution, focus on large scale architectural projects and efficient team collaboration, or pick Vectorworks if you want a versatile design tool that blends 2D drafting, creative modeling, and BIM for a more flexible workflow.